Hello and welcome to my SongList website. So this site, the goal of the site is to try and emulate iTunes or Spotify, where you have a table of songs and each song is separated into three categories. In this case, title, artist, and date added. And you can scroll through the table, you can search through the table, and sort by category as well. I started this project in 2017 and got it working, but I wanted to modernize it since I've been learning new technologies. And this is a site that I actually use. So it's something I built for personal use. And yeah, I use it to store, organize, and browse my custom songs in the game Guitar Hero. So any extra songs that I added into the game, these are all the extra songs that I added into the game. So that's what you're looking at here. The technologies that I used to develop this, I used Bootstrap, Sass, Node Sass to compile Sass to CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, PHP, and I stored all the songs in a MySQL database. The site is being hosted locally with WAMP server. And yeah, let's get into the demo. Start by searching by title, simple the. So any of the songs that have the in the title show up, and all the songs that don't disappear. Any table manipulation I'm doing, every table manipulation I'm doing is using AJAX requests to update the table. So when we get rid of it, another AJAX request to set the table back to what the default is. And it doesn't matter whether or not the string that we're searching for is in the beginning or the middle of the title and artist. It just matters that it's inside the title or artist. So we could search by artist as well. And all the artists with GE remain. We could search by title and artist. Then the table shrinks, as you can see. And yeah, I love this feature. I think it's great. After that, we can sort by category. So title ascending, descending, artist descending, ascending. Shout out to SpongeBob SquarePants. That is a song. It's a great song. So you can also sort by date added. All of the songs have been added on the same date. So I added a random song here recently to prove that date added works for the sake of this demo. So there you go. Descending, ascending. I haven't added new songs in a while, so apologies. And last but not least, this is by far my favorite feature of the site. As you scroll down, you can see we're reaching the bottom here with the scroll bar. As we get close to the bottom, the table builds, it adds to itself, and then the scroll bar shifts back up. This took a lot of work to get working. Basically, you need to recalculate the size of the table body as the table grows. You need to update that. And then on top of that, if you change the height of the window, you also need to figure out how big your table is. So there's a lot of JavaScript work involved with just getting that scroll bar feature to work. And my goal with that was to emulate Facebook or Twitter, where you can seemingly scroll forever. So I feel like I nailed that. Now let's show mobile. Yay. Okay, so anytime you switch to the device toolbar, the old scroll bar changes. Just refresh. So anyone on a Galaxy S5 would see this. They wouldn't see that empty space there. So this is what Galaxy S5 looks like on portrait. There's landscape. Then we have iPhone 5, really small screen. Landscape portrait. iPhone 6, 7, and 8. iPhone X with its very strange dimensions. iPad. And iPad Pro with its giant screen. So functionality wise, I think it's great. If I were to change anything with it for more general use, So right now the site is only used by me, and it makes sense for there to be duplicate songs in my case, but for anybody else, it really doesn't make sense. So I would try to come up with a way to get rid of these duplicate songs. And my guess, I haven't tried this yet, but my guess would be to make the song title in the database be like a unique value, so only unique values of song titles, so you can have entries with duplicate song titles, but artists you can have multiple of. That would be my starting point. I don't know if that works, and if we F5 we get the standard scroll bar back. So that's my SongList site. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.